Dia Thut, fellow adventurers. Today, we're setting our sights on the Emerald Isle, where history meets lively spirit, and every cobblestone street has a tale to tell. Dublin. Get ready to immerse yourself in the whimsical landscapes, cultural richness, and the unique charm that makes Dublin an extraordinary destination. Dublin, a city that whispers tales of its literary heritage and dances to the tunes of its vibrant culture. From the centuries-old Trinity College to the lively beats of Temple Bar, we're about to embark on a journey through the layers of this captivating city. But Dublin is not just about landmarks. It's a city of neighborhoods, each with its own character. Wander through the historic lanes of Dublin Castle, experience the trendy vibes of George's Street, and feel the cultural pulse of districts like the Liberties. This is a city that wears its history with a modern twist. Now let's talk about the food. Dublin is a culinary delight. Immerse yourself in the cozy atmosphere of traditional pubs, savor the warmth of hearty Irish dishes, and explore the lively food markets where every corner offers a new taste of the city. The culinary journey here is a feast for the senses. For those enchanted by the arts, Dublin is a treasure trove. Explore the city's literary legacy with landmarks like the Dublin Writers' Museum, catch a show in the lively theaters, and be captivated by the vibrant street performances that define the atmosphere of Grafton Street. Dublin's cultural tapestry is woven with threads of history and celebration. Immerse yourself in the rich history of museums like the National Museum of Ireland, join in the vibrant energy of traditional music sessions, and experience the lively festivities of iconic events like St. Patrick's Day. And when you need a breath of fresh air, Dublin offers verdant escapes. Stroll through the lush landscapes of St. Stephen's Green, explore the expansive Phoenix Park, and relax by the serene banks of the River Liffey. Dublin seamlessly combines urban energy with natural tranquility. And there you have it, fellow wanderers. We've glimpsed the whimsy and warmth of Dublin, a city that invites you to flip through its literary pages, savor its flavors, and dance to its cultural tunes. This is the magic of Dublin. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and share your thoughts or your own Dublin experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy exploring in the charming city of Dublin.